after we have had many information about Malangese marks as one of Malang local culture, and we have studied about procedure text, and then as the duty for us to preserve it, how if we try to make Malangese marks? We will choose cheap material to make it, and we also can care our environment better. Yes, we will use waste paper to make it. It will become not only a beautiful marks, but also save our environment clean. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it.
Hi students! Have you ever heard that masks can be made from a paper waste? If you're curious about it, here I am to explain to you about a guide for making masks from a paper waste. First thing first, prepare all materials and equipments you need. They are paper waste, water, glue, paint bucket, brush, blender, strainer, and mask mold. Make sure that everything you need are ready before you make it. You should do that in order to make this action run smoothly. So here are steps for making masks from paper waste. The first step, collect the newspaper or paper waste, then tear the paper into small pieces. The second step, put the cutting paper into the water. Make sure all of them soak well. Don't forget to squeeze them. Keep it for a while to make them become mixture. The third step, after the pepper mixture red enough, put the pepper mixture into the blender and blend them until smooth. Pour them into the strainer in order to reduce the water, so you will have the smooth pepper mixture which is neither too wet nor too dry. The fourth step, pour the glue into the pepper mixture, then stir them well until they blend. After that, prepare the mask mold, cover it using wet paper to make the paper mask will not be sticky. Now you can cover the mask mold using the pepper mixture. If you finish, dry it under the sunshine. You can make your own mask mold, by the way. Next, the fifth step. Make sure that the paper mask dry enough. Peel off the paper mask from the mask mold, then you can paint it using paint and brush. You can choose the character you want. Finally, the paper masks are ready to use. You can use them as a decoration or for Malangese mask dance. It's up to you.